Beautiful. Look at that. Flying butterfly too. Look at that.
Ooh, turtle colors.
Heck of a technician. Then it turns into what? Peacock. It's a peacock there, dude.
I know, that's right.
Beautiful. Wish you were here looking at just the five like we are.
Who are you talking to?
People that are going to be watching this when I post it online. And now they become what is it? Oh, you decide. I'm afraid to tell you what it is. Pretty cool how they do it. Look at that. Pretty cool.
It's an owl.
Alright.
Yeah, it is.
Not an owl.
It's an owl. Look at those gold eyes.
Something from man and owl. Oh, you're kidding me. Thank you for telling me. Oh, I messed it up.
Some bug.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. Oh, I can't believe I did that.
What did you do?
I had it on photo, not on
Video?
video.
Oh my word. He's gonna stick his tongue out. He's gonna stick his tongue out.
Really?
Yeah.
Seen it last night.
Yeah.
Saw it last night.
I'm not making this up.
Wow, look at that.
I like the color.
That is good. Got yours, huh? No, you don't. You gotta press that red button. Now you're doing it.
Kidding me?
Yeah.
Ah.
That's a heart.
Headphones.
Nice.
Headphones. That's interesting. See, tomorrow night will be even better. Right?
Yeah, 'cause we recording it. I can't believe we did that. Goes to show you we're getting old.
Thank you for telling us.
Yeah, thanks for telling us.
Now I know why I couldn't review any of it yesterday. What he did on Carol's phone.
I'm glad he saw that.
Yeah, your phone. Your phone is different from ours. Cheaper phone.
If you want, but you can't. If you want, but you gotta make sure you're getting it. Oh,
Oh, that thing. It was a wrap. Let's do the laugh about it rather than something.
Got that? I just wish we had something to hold it as well.
No, because I'm trying to keep
My arm's getting tired.
You know
Maybe
about it?
tomorrow we'll go to Walmart and see if they have something.
I
Okay.
know.
Okay.
I heard here's flamingo.
No, that's a, yeah, flamingo, that's a flamingo. That was cool.
That's what
I like-
Buster, right?
I can see the other one behind it. I went through my camera. The other drum. And now it is.
Sticking its tongue out.
That's a lizard. Or is that a snake? That's a snake.
Yeah, it's a snake.
That's a snakehead, yeah. You're right.
What? I can be right about something? Dear diary.
Snake, that's a. What kind of snake is that? Cobra? That's a cobra.
That's a rattlesnake.
That's the best way to do it, Rhea. My love.
Is that a hot dog?
I don't know what it is. Looks cool though, whatever it is.
Oh, it's a bridge.
Oh, it's like a.
Is it a bridge?
Wow, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, that's a bridge. I can tell.
Now it's going.
Is that a centipede?
Yeah, I like that. Oh, you like that? See that, Ginger?
I think it's either bridge or one of those Galaga games. Because it kind of looks like an arcade machine. Don't you think?
I don't know. It's kind of cool. Look at that. What do you think that is?
Yeah.
Oh, what?
I smell the teeth.
Oh,
Where?
see, it's an alligator.
Yeah, it's an alligator.
That's pretty neat, man.
But it's either alligator or crocodile.
Alligator. Hey, there's a gecko. No, that's a bird. That's remember what kind of bird that is.
That's a unicorn.
Huh?
Yeah, that's a unicorn. You see the horns? You see the outline? You see the horns?
Like a pole, yeah.
Yeah. Like that unicorn that that little girl had in.
The head of
Yeah.
the snake. Or the head of the tiger.
It's a cheetah, I think. Cheetah.
Yeah.
It's a cheetah?
I think they're going off rides they have.
Yeah. You want me to hold it now?
Yeah, my
Your hand gets started, right?
yeah.
That's pretty exciting. I was kind of hard to tell what it was.
That's an elephant.
Oh, that is. Oh, it is an elephant. Okay, I can see it now. Yeah.
You're going off rides and
Oh. Look at that. What's it doing now?
Cute. Oh, the Busch Gardens sign.
Oh, Gardens. Yeah, that's the Busch Gardens sign. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, you can perfectly match that up. I don't remember their habits.
Imagine being in that airplane next to the lights.
That would be so nice.
That would
But
be.
it'd also be very bright.
Yeah.
I don't know what it is, there.
Mom, you thought it was trees at first, but it's actually roller coasters.
It's a roller coaster.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Oh, look at what's going on.
Are those stars? Back.
Oh, look. neat, man. I love it.
Or they just send it back.
Looks like they're getting ready to land.
Yeah, but fireworks.
Oh, yeah, look at that. They're gonna land. Right nice.
It's on my mind.
What are you doing? Just messed it up now. Press that red button. There it goes.
Tomorrow we'll have it downtown.
The video just ended. You gotta click the red button again.
Why would it end like that?
It goes to a specific point because it's like
Oh, because it changed the angle?
No, or it'll end
Take
like after so many
Back on the
minutes.
water.
yeah, and
Oh, okay.
it'll take up too much storage.
Oh!